Night.
What?
It's Imperial Knights.
What's happening? Welcome back to the Kieran Show. My name's Kieran, his name is Kieran, and we are Knights, Imperial Knights, especially considering we're doing the cost video of a army that only really constitutes of 5 or 6 models. It's gone up, it's gone down, it's been really, really popular, got nerfed into the ground, we've got a new book and a new knight that is...
Gone up, it's gone down, it's been shaken all around.
Yeah, it really is. It's complicated and confusing, but ultimately, for the 10 players that play Knights, you've got a new one. So good for you. Will it feature in this list? I guess we'll see.
Obviously, have you seen the rules for that thing?
No, I haven't.
This weird little void shield bubble? Nah.
Oh, really? No,
it's fun if you're playing it.
Oh, that makes sense. But well, that's most of competitive 40k, so that makes sense. Good.
Yeah, it's time to play Specific Rim, not Pacific Rim. Specific Rim.
There's a weird joke in there somewhere. But yeah, the army cost video is slowly winding down. We're coming towards the end of 10th edition now.
Yeah, we're on the back burner. We'll restart this series again before we know it.
Woo! But must really drive this home only if it warrants the change.
So, which will always be Space Marines because they get so many bloody new miniatures all the time.
Yeah, that's true.
New armies, or if things radically change. So
pray for Grey Knights, please. Please, there's so...
Oh, AdMech is one we got to redo because you didn't even try.
Oh, yeah. What I like...
You like the wrong things. This is the problem.
I don't know what it is. I looked at what everyone else liked and I was like, that was rubbish. I was like, I'll fix this for everyone. And they're like, no, you're wrong. And I was like, oh my goodness me, what on earth is happening?
You put the Tech Priest engines here willingly in that list. They hate it.
Why?
Because it's not an AdMech mini, it's from the old Imperial Guard range.
Grow up, it's only a mini.
There's only toy soldiers.
What are you crying at me for? Just
only toys.
Just put it in the comments and buy something different. What are you talking about? I'm playing make-believe and you're mad at me for it? Unbelievable. Yeah.
Right. If you can't tell, we're panning because there's only like 5 minis in this list.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, thank you for bearing with the filler.
This is accurate MUNITORUM Field Manual 3.3. And as we always say, GWRRP.
Yeah. Pre-price rise. Must bear that in mind.
When this has been recorded, obviously we had that announcement a couple of days ago. We don't know what those prices are yet.
I think we saw it's due on the 4th of October, and we were like, do we stagger this and wait for it to come out? But
we'll just put a pin comment. I'm praying that it's not that much different.
It's GW. What are you going to do?
Right, let's get into it. So, there's no Combat Patrol box to buy.
What a relief.
Well, there is a Combat Patrol, it's just 2 armigers, I'm pretty sure.
Is that a Combat Patrol? That's not 100 quid, is it?
I think it's got, I think it's a list you can run if you are playing Combat Patrol. Well, it wasn't.
Oh, I see what you mean. I'm with you.
Right, first up, there's a few boxes of these. It's the Knight Paladin.
Oh.
It's my favourite Knight.
Is that the new big box?
Not yet. It's the new box.
Right.
We're just not building the new one just yet.
Oh, okay, so... Okay, I won't confuse you. Please continue.
Yeah, we're buying the Knight Doris box a few times in this list. Spoilers, but first up, it's a Knight Paladin, which is my favourite one.
Yep.
I gave mine the cannon.
Yep.
And the claw.
The claw. Nice.
£115.
For the box.
Yeah.
Goodness
375 points for the Paladin.
Yeah. It's a chunky boy.
£115 is going to be a recurring theme. Knight Defender. This is the new one with the dome shield and the new weird laser gun thing.
Yeah.
Pretty spicy little meatball, that is.
Yeah. So have we got 3 big Knights so far?
No, we've got 2.
All right. I'm confused already.
Just shush!
Okay, sorry.
Right, Knight Defender, 425 points, £115 again. Like I said, this is the new one. But still not done with the big Knights. We're then going again for the Knight Crusader.
Oh, yeah.
Which is, I think, the double gun one.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Which is 395 points, £115 again for a Knight Doris. And then last but not least, on the big Knight train, it's a Knight Warden.
Okay.
385 points, £115.
So that's 4 of the big Knight boxes.
4 big Knights. 4 boxes. You can buy the Canis Rex one if you wanted to build Canis Rex, but you can just buy the new Knight Defender box that has all of these kits in as well.
Fair. Goodness. 4 big Knights. And variation as well, which I quite appreciate for a Knights list.
Yeah, so when we did War Dogs, I think Chaos Knights plays more into the War Dog theme, whereas I think the way I like to play the Imperial Knights are more the big knights, and they have like the bondsman ability is quite cool, but they don't all have their own bondsman, is the way I've always seen an Imperial Knights army for me.
Nice.
Speaking of bondsmans, we need to buy some
Bonds?
armigers.
Oh, of course, that makes more sense.
So I've gone with the Warglaives because they're better shooting up, running up the board with their chain axes, and they've obviously got a double melter thing.
Yeah, that thing's horrid. Absolutely horrid.
So we've got 2 of them come in a box. So they're 280 points.
For 2?
Yep.
Nice.
£57.50.
Working it out. Yeah, I'll take that. Nice. Oh dear.
There's
Oh
the
dear.
same thing that happened with Chaos Knights.
Oh dear.
We don't have enough points to run another 2.
So you're spending
So we have to
60 quid on one model.
Yep, we have to
Yeah,
buy
sure.
2 boxes of armigers. This
course.
I've got the Helverins for this one just for some variety, but we can only run 1 in the list. The other one you just build, and maybe if you wanted to run 2 Helverins and 1 Warglaive, you could.
I suppose what's reassuring with the way that GW operates if you're a Knights player is if points go up, you just remove a small knight, and
Yep.
if points go down, you just add a small knight. In this list, anyway.
Yeah,
Okay, fair.
yeah. I mean, it gets to sit on the shelf while Andy takes all the other toys out to play.
Fair enough. There
Yeah.
it is.
140 points for a Helverin and £57.50 again, but we're only using 1 of them.
Yeah, that's a shame, but you know what? Is what it is.
So we'll recap,
Oh yeah, that's it.
because that's it.
Of course, yeah,
We've
yeah,
got-
sure.
We've got a Knight Paladin, a Knight Defender, a Knight Crusader, Knight Warden, 2 Warglaives, and a Lonely Helverin for 2,000 points on my specific nose.
Specific nose. There it is. What, 2,000 on the nose? Oh, it doesn't happen very often.
Knights is one of the easiest to tune to 2,000 points when they make the points changes, though.
Yeah, it's confusing to me, but I'm.
I don't know how.
appreciative of it
I'd love
anyway.
to. I'd love to talk to like one of the rules writers or points writers or whatever they are, how they work out points for things to go. We don't want them to take as many of these, but obviously we don't want to punish them with other things. How do they go? Oh, we'll just take 40 points off one of the knights, and that'll do it. How do they work it out? Which ones to take?
As curious as I would be about that conversation, I am absolutely, no nonsense. You read your rules and they go straight out of your brain. So I think you'd have that conversation and be like, excellent. Hey, I'm Kieran.
We've got to buy Codex and data cards,
Oh yeah,
so they're in here as well.
cool.
628 quid.
Oh, straight. Is that the same price as the Imperial Fists one?
I think it's like 50p.
Yeah, it's
It's 50p more than Imperial.
50p difference. Wow. I mean, I know which list I'd rather run, but I suppose it's just how I feel about Knights, to be honest. Like, it's a strange army.
It's the 4 big knights that are the spendy ones.
What's really bizarre, actually, is I'd rather run a Gargant's list in AOS than a Knights list in 40k.
Really?
Yeah.
These are cooler minis.
See, I totally disagree. I could not disagree with you more.
Anyway,
Yeah, just, I don't know, this isn't an AOS channel.
$1,052 US,
Fair?
818 euros and 50 cents,
Yep.
and 1,401 Wombat Hellscape dollary dues.
Nice. There it is.
I always thought knights were they were one of the cheaper 40k armies. But this isn't. Let's have a look at it compared to Chaos Knights. I mean, it is cheaper than Chaos Knights, the one we did, because War Dogs aren't amazing point to pound, depending on how people feel at the time.
True.
There's absolutely other knight patterns you could run. You don't have to run the ones that I think are the coolest, even though they are the coolest.
Yeah. Meh.
Knight Paladin is my favourite.
Yeah, no, it is cool. I do like it a lot.
I do like the new Defender, though.
Indeed.
I've been thinking a lot about doing the Imperial Knights army again recently.
Really.
Happens every time that they get a new codex.
I'd love to, please.
I've done Chaos Knights, and I fell out of love with the scheme I did, so I sold those. I stripped my Imperial Knights and haven't painted them, so I have Knights, I just don't have an army of Knights that I can play.
Fair enough.
Yeah, I'd love to do a custom scheme one day. But then there's lots of things in this hobby I would like to do, but I don't get to have nice things.
It's so true.
Right. If you want to buy this list, go and check out the affiliate links down below. Maybe you could fund my Knights army by buying Knights down there. Maybe not.
Unbelievable. And thank you to our armigers on the left-hand side of the screen. The Cult of Kieran, you are wonderful. Last video, I think I
Our
said...
bondsmans.
The bondsman, yeah, it's our bondsman. Oh, I'm not going to carry on with that. But yeah, no, thank you so much for watching another episode of The Kieran Show. I think the next one we've got on the cards... Oh, no, because this will come out at different times. We're about to record Raven Guard, which you probably would have already seen by now. But yeah.
Yeah. See you later.
Bye.